Hey everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today we are Thrift Tuesday and I want to share with you all my thrifted pieces. I think I only have 2 items that will be new. And we are going to decorate my bar cart with these items for the summer. And first thing is these beautiful cranes. I thrifted these both at Goodwill. I paid $1.99 for the both. Also, I found, I believe I had a total of 6 of these or 5. I did a DIY with the bling wrap. This is when I did a sponsored video with BB Craft. So I have these beautiful candle holders. Have these beautiful, beautiful vases. They're like mirrored mosaic. And guys, I had first purchased this piece maybe like 2 years ago. And you see it was 99 cents and it was 50% off. And I believe it's a Hobby Lobby's or a Kohl piece. Well, maybe like a year later, I went in and I purchased these 2 pieces. And I had forgot all about my tray. And this one was $5.99. Yep, these are Hobby Lobby. And this one is $4.99. So I have the complete set here. I have this beautiful crystal decanter. So very beautiful. It was thrifted. Don't have the price, but I know I didn't pay too much for it. So I will be using this as well on my bar cart. And guys, I have this beautiful crystal, I'm going to say ice bucket, because this is what I can use it for on my bar cart styling. And I also will be using 6 of these beautiful crystal champagne flutes that I purchased at the Goodwill as well. And I know I probably paid either 50 cents to $1 each. Also, we'll be using these 4 beautiful champagne flutes as well. And again, probably paid 50 cents to $1 for 4 of these. And I also will be using these 2 beautiful crystal martini glasses. And I know I paid probably 69 cents for these. And I only have 2. And my new finds, I purchased these about a month ago at the Goodwill, 50% off, and they were 99 cents a piece. I absolutely love this style of glass. These are from Home Goods, and I got them 2 for $1.